Your morning news now. A week has passed since Election Day, and President Trump is refusing to concede the race to Joe Biden. The president's legal team continues to claim widespread election fraud as they challenge the outcome in several states, including Pennsylvania. Yesterday evening, Attorney General William Barr authorized prosecutors to investigate clear and apparently credible allegations of voting irregularities that might exist. The federal agency that oversees presidential transitions has not provided funding or access to the Biden-Harris team. The Democrats are considering legal action. The Affordable Care Act is once again on the docket at the Supreme Court. Today, the justices will hear arguments in the latest legal challenge to the national health insurance law. Some 20 million Americans could lose their health coverage if the court strikes the ACA down. A decision is not expected for several months. Election officials in La Crosse County are taking the next step in Wisconsin's election process. The county's Canvass board is currently certifying the voting results from last week's election. The certification is required in all counties in the state by today. The deadline for the State Election Commission to certify the election results is December 1st. If you still have a political sign in your yard in La Crosse, you need to take it down today. According to La Crosse's municipal code, if they are not removed by homeowners, they could be removed by La Crosse Fire Department's Division of Fire Prevention and Building Safety, but that removal can be charged to property owners. There is some good news in the worldwide fight against the coronavirus. Pharmaceutical company Pfizer said early tests show its COVID-19 vaccine with an effectiveness rate of 90%. That is much higher than most experts had expected. Pfizer hopes to be ready to submit its COVID vaccine to the FDA for approval by the end of this month. La Crosse County's COVID-19 surge continues to affect hospitals in La Crosse. Healthcare centers are seeing more patients, which take up valuable resources. Last week, hospital officials wrote an editorial to the public asking for the community's help to stop the surge in cases. The Red Raiders nickname and mascot will soon be changed at La Crosse Central High School. School administrators decided to make the change after hearing from students, family, staff, and community members. Administration will work to develop a plan for removing all imagery and begin creating and establishing a new team name and mascot, which will include student and staff input and involvement. School administrators hope to present a new name and mascot to the School District of La Crosse Board of Education in early January. An effort to support businesses in our area will continue into next year. Curbside pickup spaces in downtown La Crosse will stay in place until at least April 1st. The extension was approved during the Board of Public Works meeting. The spaces allow for 15-minute parking to allow delivery and pickup orders. Some spaces may be shifted in the coming weeks to adapt to the needs of downtown businesses. Work on the La Crosse Center is staying on schedule. The entrance and north halls are completely enclosed as the exterior windows are now in place. Now work on the building's inside, including putting up drywall, is underway. On the back of the building, crews are working to enclose the ballroom that will reach over Front Street. The $40 million renovation of the downtown La Crosse building is set to be completed in November of next year.
Well, rain continues to fall here in downtown La Crosse, over an inch already from the system out at the airport. Now notice where temperatures are close to freezing to the north and west. There could be some sleet and freezing rain where you see those pinkish colors, and that's why a winter weather advisory in place for Fillmore, Wabasha, and Dunn counties through this evening. Watch out for slick travel there. Otherwise, periods of rain, much cooler today, a high of only 43.
We want to thank you for sharing your morning with us. We hope you have a great day. We'll see you back here tomorrow morning.